What is noun? A noun is a word that names something, such as a person, place, thing, or idea. In a sentence, nouns can play the role of subject, object, and subject complement. At least one noun or a pronoun is a must in most sentences. Main part of speech as verb. These are main parts of speech as verb, often preceded by an article or other determiner. Examples are: the dog ran very fast. In this sentence, dog. June is my favorite month. In this sentence, June and month. Teachers emphasize the importance of grammar. In this sentence, teachers' importance and grammar are nouns. In short, noun refers to any person, place, or thing to name them.